Hello, Cymara Hau and Jew. Here's Mr. Joseph. Ha coffee AH-gum. Ha coffee AH-gum. Hami anan café. I have a coffee. I'm in a coffee shop. If I want to say I have a cat, I can say ha cat AH-gum. It literally means a coffee is at me or a cat is at me. In Gaelic, we don't say I have things like we do in English. We talk about things being close to us. And with sickness, we talk about things being upon us. So you can see here, ha coffee AH-gum. Coffee, agus Bainne-yeh, is coffee and milk. Coffee, agus Bainne-yeh. Agus is the word for and. Ha coffee AH-gum. A coffee is at me. Ha coffee AH-gut is how I say you have a coffee. Ha coffee AH-gut. And you can make that into a question. For example, ha coffee AH-gut. Is the coffee at you? Do you have a coffee? Ha coffee AH-gut. Coffee. Bainne-yeh. Agus. And I used the word there earlier for cat as well. Okay, so ha coffee AH-gum. Let me just go over this again, okay? So, hello, Cymara Hau and Jew is Mr. Joseph. Hami anan café. Ha coffee AH-gum. Ha coffee AH-gat anish. And anish just means now. Marsinlet.